I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings on the device you'll use. The iPhone is faster. Tap Screen Time, then Downtime to reveal the schedule. Once the Downtime screen appears, make sure your watch is connected and unlocked so changes sync. You're doing this now to control when apps and alerts are limited. This step sets the foundation. Without it, later adjustments won't apply to the watch. Proceed as soon as Downtime is visible. You'll change times and device scope next. Now change the hours. Tap the start time, then the end time, and pick times that fit your routine. Use customized days to make weekends different from weekdays. This prevents rigid rules from blocking urgent alerts. Make sure you decide whether to share across devices. Turn it off to limit downtime to just the watch. Once you select only this watch, the iPhone keeps its own schedule. When done, press back so the system saves and begins enforcing those new hours. Finish by confirming the new times appear under Downtime and that the watch shows the updated schedule. Test quickly. Set a 5 to 10 minute window to observe notifications being silenced. If everything works, you're done. If it doesn't, don't panic. Restart the Apple Watch and the paired iPhone, then verify screen time is logged into the same Apple ID and iCloud syncing is enabled. This resolves most syncing failures and ensures the changes apply as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.